The CRF 1100 Africa Twin and Africa Twin Adventure Sports ES feature Bluetooth pairing, allowing you to wirelessly connect your compatible smartphone or headset. In order to start the pairing process, the bike must be stationary. Start by ensuring your device's Bluetooth is on. On your vehicle, pull the page switch on the left handlebar in towards you to access the main menu. Using the four-way switchgear on the left handlebar, select Settings. Then select Bluetooth. Toggle both Bluetooth and Discoverable to the on position. Next, select either phone pairing or headset pairing, depending on what device you are connecting. Then select Add a device. A list of available devices will appear. Select the name of the device you want to pair. If you are prompted to confirm pairing the device, select Yes. If the device you are trying to connect is a phone, you may also need to confirm the pairing request on the device. When pairing is complete, the device name will appear under Paired Devices in the vehicle's phone pairing menu.